Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Let's take a look at Aussie yen and see what is going on with the chart. On the monthly, still a downtrend, trendline respected, area of supply up here still respected. So it's gonna move slow, but overall we're still in a downtrend. On the weekly, we have price going down, but now these candles are starting to break this trend line. So we're expecting price to break this trend line, which it did, and then now it's gonna move up, but this is the obstacle that we gotta wait to see what's gonna happen. So price could drop at this area because this area is the level of supply that's also right here in the monthly, and the monthly is still pointing down. So price could still drop down there. So I'm gonna put this trend line back, but price could drop down here. So I may look to where is that located on here? Yeah, so price is up. This level is located up here, and I may look for some counter trend shorts. So price goes up here. I wait for it to drop, come back up. I'm gonna need to wait for a confirmation at least for that short up there, but nevertheless it's still a valid short because even though the momentum has changed, it's still located within a pretty decent, I mean, it's not that good, but if you want to short it, it's not a bad idea either to short. But or either if you're not that aggressive, then you want to wait for this area of supply to get removed and then buy the next area of demand that's created and make its way back up to this area of supply up here, which is where the monthly is located. So that's the game plan. You could do a little counter trend short in this area on the lower time frames, like the 4-hour and daily, but ideally momentum has changed to the upside, so you can do some counter trend shorts. If this area gets taken out. Okay. So the bias is not very clear. It's just however you want to trade it. The bias is not very clear on this one because we're all waiting for what this area of supply can do on the weekly. If it touches this area, because it's located within this area on the monthly too, so it's not that strong. So we're expecting price to break this area, but the chances of it getting broken is 50-50 too, because the higher time frame is suggesting us that it's going lower. So we're expecting this to break a little bit, but it's not very strong, so we're expecting it to break over this weekly area supply. So I'm going to wait for price. So this area is no good anymore because it's been tested and momentum has changed. But this area on the daily, I'm expecting it's not very strong at all. As you can see, it's just drop based drop all the way down here. So this area is not that strong. So I'm expecting price to go in, to hit it, and then let's see. Expecting price to hit here. Price to touch here, which it will touch up here. So touch up here, drop, go up higher, and then see, let me make this bigger. So we're expecting price to do this, drop, and then drop, and then come back up, and that's where we short right there, okay? Because that to me is telling me that there's some sellers in this area, and I want to short on the way back up. When it touches this, it goes down, I want to short on the way back up, because that to me gives me confirmation that there are sellers there. You could do that, or else you can just wait for this area to get removed, because this area is located on the monthly that's not very strong. So we're expecting it to break it, but before it's going to break it, it's going to do the move that I just told you, that it's gonna go test it once, drop, and then come back and test it, and then drop a little bit more, and then it will probably break this zone and then go back up to this zone up here, okay? Then same strategy can be applied to the 4 hour. You just have to make sure that everything works. So for example, there's an area of supply being created right here on the daily. So the 4 hours is overextended, so price could drop back down to this area and then go back and rally. So if you're trading the monthly, weekly, daily, then the strategy is what I just told you earlier. If you're trading the weekly, daily, 4 hour, then you want to wait until this area of demand supply on the daily is broken before going long to up here, and your entry would be on the 4 hour time frame. But if it doesn't get broken, then you can counter trend short right here, okay? And that is all for this analysis, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.